How to join SHEIN Free Trial Program. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can join free SHEIN trial program. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your SHEIN app. And you can also use the website, it does not really matter. So after you open that up, make sure that you're logged in into your account. After logging in into your account, you can then head over to your Me option on the bottom right. And after you're there, you'll find this section right here. Under here, you'll find Free Trial Center. Tap on Free Trial Center. And now you can apply for the items that you want. So let's let this load. And there we go. So now you can search for the items that you want to buy. That you want for your free trial. So let's say I'm just going to use this. Tap on free trial, choose your size or whatever they want you to, then tap on next step. After that, you will then need to go through your address and your checkout method. This will be free, but yeah, that's how you go with that. And after some time, they will, send you the item, and then you guys are expected to review them. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.